Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about the introduction of Bitcoin to the world. One of the most mysterious elements of Bitcoin is found in its creation. No one knows the true identity of the person or persons who actually created Bitcoin. It has been attributed, however, to a presumed fictitious character named Satoshi Nakamoto. The stereotypical image used to portray Satoshi Nakamoto is that of a middle to old age Japanese man, but there is no definite proof that this person who created Bitcoin was ever Japanese. In the most theoretical sense, Bitcoin could have been created by a young woman in the United States or maybe in Nigeria. Funny, right? The total opposite of the commonly portrayed creator. While the actual name of the person who created Bitcoin is unknown, there are a number of facts that are undoubtedly true. It is here that we are able to grasp a level of the understanding as to who created Bitcoin. We may not know their name, but we are able to identify when they started developing Bitcoin and what mark they have left on the currency. It was in late 2008 that an instance of Bitcoin, as we know it today, was made available to the public. The launch of Bitcoin was accomplished in the form of a written paper called Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. It was just a few months later, on January 9, 2009, that the very first iteration of Bitcoin was released. It's confirmed that the person who first released Bitcoin are the same individuals. The creator was unlikely to have ever been able to predict just how expensive the currency could become. What was once a unique abstract project has now turned into the most well-known cryptocurrency in the world. Once again, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you've not done so, and watch my next video on rumors and speculation on Bitcoin creator.